Good afternoon, Marcus. Good to be back. Hello, hello. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. Well. Okay, so while we wait for everyone to get in over here, hope you guys are doing good. Let's just make sure everything's working. Yeah, it is. Good stuff. So yeah, welcome back. We took a beautiful trade yesterday in my session. Very simple trade. Waited like 2.5 hours for it. It was really good. We'll go through that in a second. But yeah, we back in business. So looking like yesterday. Wow, yeah, we had a big push down. That was at 3 o'clock. What actually happened at 3 o'clock yesterday? Yeah, the job openings. Yeah, I saw a lot of people holding gold for job openings. Yeah, you're gonna have to be a little bit careful for the news, okay? Why is it not letting me move? 1 second. Just type it in. Okay. So, yeah, first things first, let's take a look then. So yeah, big spike at 3 o'clock on both pairs, okay? Goldie had a big spike, wow. At 3 o'clock, okay. So, let me just get rid of all of this. Let's get rid of all of this. So, let's just go on to the weekly that I've been looking at and the monthly. So, looking at the monthly here, I mean, we've got 1 day left, so looking like it is probably going to close bearish. Not going to really reflip. But overall, still in kind of a bullish trend, and we're still kind of hovering, you know, really holding 1917, right? It seems to be the biggest area. Okay, let's take a look then at the daily. So, the daily time frame is where you can start to see where we're going at. So, yeah, as I said, you know, we rejected 1913, started to pump back up, and the daily time frame now is here. So, what I've been adding on recently, like I did yesterday, is just recent daily resistances, daily supports that I've been holding. So I'm going to put one there because this is a very key level, just to give me a little bit more information of the higher time frames. And I'll put one up here as well. 1978 there. So you can see actually on the daily time frame we are in a consolidation range, right? We seem to be ranging between these resistances. A little bit of a fake out here, but for the most part we are playing in this range, right? We're kind of printing sideways. If you take a look at like an overall trend, like have you got a trend line recently? We're kind of holding this one here. I'd say that's the trend that we're holding from the upside. So realistically, we should probably go touch that trend line at some time today. So let me then add on the daily flip, which is there. Looking like right now, Asian session didn't really do too much, okay? But that's to be expected after a big move like that. Okay, 4 hour, yeah, same kind of thing. If you look at these 4 hour candles, very small. Okay, and that's just because it's had a big move before with news, and we haven't really moved since. Okay, so yeah, in terms of the 4 hour time frame now, you can see in the left hand side we have a lot of resistance / support that we are coming to. Mainly the supports up here which we held. So I'm going to write on a line here. Yeah, 1940, 1944 tends to be, if you look to the left hand side, all of the supports and also resistances. You can maybe put it a little bit lower to get the whole zone. So maybe there, yeah, 1939 is the major resistance right now that we'll have, but it's also the previous support, so that's good. Let's put this here. So obviously, in terms of the 4 hour, we can't really see too much really going on, so we've got to go to the lower time frames and start to delve deep in. Now we do know that the news came out yesterday, yeah, 8.83, so a lot less jobs, okay, which again, a lot less jobs than expected, so therefore it's bad for the US, and that's why gold pushed up, okay. Now can it retrace this whole move? Of course it can, but it tends to, especially with such a push like that, it tends to not retrace as quickly as you'd expect. I think, yeah, you've got a while for it to move retrace. So take a look at the 15 minutes, see if there's any, or the 5 minutes, see if there's areas you'd want it to come to. Yeah, the issue you've got here is obviously it's quite choppy in this recent times. Good morning, what's up? Hello, Andrew, I hope you're doing well. How are you, Max? Had fun at the festival? Yeah, the festival was amazing. Really, really good fun. It was class. Really, really good fun. I'd highly recommend it. If you guys haven't gone to Lost Village, I'd recommend it. So yeah, I mean, in terms of above, if you actually look at above 1939, you can see we tend to bounce off this pretty hard. Okay, we seem to push realistically all the way to like 1956 at least. Okay, how many times do you bounce above? Yeah, it's pretty strong. Okay, even here. So in terms of overall taking trades, I think later on above 1939 would be nice, to get another push if we wanted to. Let me just shrink this a little bit. It's a little bit too thick. There we go. So yeah, and then obviously target would be, well, main one would be 1955, but again, I think for the most part you'll obviously be looking to the left hand side. Next resistance, recent resistance has been 1945, but again you're starting to come to the clean zone. So yeah, I think for me here a nice closure above would be nice. 1939 later on, and right now a hold in 1934. In terms of sells, yeah, sells are going to be a little bit harder, I think, for me. I think I'd rather wait for a retracement support forming to continue bullish. But again, it's a little bit harder to see because of the major push which has been through news, okay? So I think overall, yeah, let me just write this on here. Oh. How are you doing, Andrea? How was your trades last week? Did you take some good trades? I think I saw in the chat you did take some. Buys of 1939.18. What's the indicator you have? It's just called Asian Range Nico 948. Just shows me the range of Asian session. Tends to hold and you know, it's in terms of fake outs, sweep the Asian lows. It always helps to see it quite easily. Welcome, Max. Thank you very much, Mo. I blew my account yesterday. I forgot about my lot size is higher because I bought a Nasdaq before gold news. Oof. Oof. Yeah. You've got to be careful, man. You've got to be careful. The best way to avoid that is to just use magic keys. Use the magic keys. I think I've got a link on there. Then you don't need to worry about that. You don't need to worry about that at all. Okay, 12 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream. We're back in business. I'll show you some cool festival videos in a second. But yeah, just gonna mark up these charts. So yeah, GJ yesterday for me was much easier to read. I really liked GJ yesterday. It was quite simple. So I'll go through that. Been busy all week. Actually came back yesterday just for London and took GJ sells. Hopefully starting today. Get back regular. Beautiful. Yeah, good idea as well. Get me back to there September. Good idea. Good morning, Van. Hope you're doing well. Good morning, Abe. Hope you're doing well. So, yeah, next thing is to look at GJ. So GJ for me yesterday was still bullish. Still pushing up. In terms of what I've been seeing here recently, what has been happening in the recent days, well, we broke above resistance, we came down, we retested, and we made support. Okay, that's pretty much all we did, so that's great. Yeah, the daily candle closed bearish here, but again, it's the main push was to do with that news yesterday, which again we've already retraced. So you know, always take that with a pinch of salt. If a daily closes bearish, look at why it closed bearish. Well, because 3 o'clock fucking ran over 100 pips. So, yeah. Can you close half a 0.01 magic keys? Went over some old note yesterday. Last year September was very nice. Yes, 100%. It was very, very good. So that's great. So looking like, again, we've got this zone above, which I really liked yesterday. In terms of yesterday, yeah, I like this zone above. So let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hours coming back up. We had a resistance here which we broke above, which is 185. So yesterday, I just show you what I did yesterday. A genuinely simple break and retest. Price made a high, price came down, price goes bullish, got the break at the high there, stop loss below, took 80% off there. And again, it was with the basis of, it was actually retesting an hourly IC, it was retesting previous price, and it was the 4 hour. If you look here, it was the 4 hour here. This candle closed, this candle made a lower wick, tapped this level, reflipped. I got into a buy like there, stop loss below, and reflipped, expecting obviously the 4 hour to maybe that top wick. So that was really, really textbook, really simple in the trade in about 30 seconds. It was not bad at all. So now obviously we've got to wait until we get past again above 85, because then I think we can still then really target up above 185,500 to fill the rest of this range. It's been a little bit rangy here, but again, it just pushed quite nicely. So yeah, I think, you know, this is the resistance I want it to close above. If it does, then we should get a push to 200, and then furthermore. Again, are we holding a trend? I think we let's see if we're holding a trend. So we're holding the trend down here. Yeah, it's not really, it's kind of a double bottom there. So yeah, I think that would be great to look for. So that's what I'm going to do. Closure above there. But yeah, as I say, you know, it's happened so much in the recent times, like the whole of August, but it's quite hard to mark charts. If you guys are struggling to mark your charts above in these times, then it's fair enough, because again, it seems to be quite such a big move like happening, which kind of skews your whole chart. Like, you know, like Goldie here just shoots up. Is TradingView having an issue this morning? I don't know. I don't think it is. There was also a good sell for retest on the M yesterday. The M, yeah. Yeah, like I went through the charts yesterday when I was away, and like, yeah, it's like, look, one big spike, fair enough. It was actually a nice W down there, and it did hit an IC on the 15, I think. That was okay. But this was hard. Look, like, these moves are moving like 3, 4 o'clock. 3, 4 o'clock, so yeah, it is what it is. Yesterday there's a beautiful W, which was nice actually, because it was an IC, but I was a bit cautious of the news. Even though it would have been in my direction. Shout out to Alohe over here. He just paid for his next holiday by taking a buy somewhere around here and holding till 1938. I love that. Command's not working for commands. Yeah, commands are not working for TradingView. That's true. Yeah, I'm going up and down. It isn't scrolling. Very true. Very, very true. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see what we can get over here and on them. But yeah, man, did anyone else go to a festival the weekend? There's a lot of people. Man, Lost Village is the one to go, I'm telling you. The people, there was not one chav in the whole place. I was expecting a couple like chavvy cunts. Like, do people know what chavs means here? Some people might actually know what a chav means. But man, it was lovely. I'd say I was probably one of the youngest people there. So it was more of an older group, like 20s to 30s, but man, it was good. Yeah, I got loads of videos here. Yeah, on the last day, this is a real person. She was like down there and she got like lifted up, and then loads of fire. And then behind was like a cool, like fucking DS thing. It's wild. But yeah, I found this tent. So like, yeah, you just go like exploring, like it's a proper village. I went exploring, I found this tent. Let's go, sick. I can't wait. your body. Oh my god, it's so good, man. And yeah, like even like artists I didn't even know about, like these, this is good as well. So good, man. And they had like Near Archive, which I really enjoyed. It's like drum and bass. Let's try to find a drum and bass one. Yeah, here. And yeah, like, I thought like the crowds and that would be like really like busy, but it's not. Like, everyone just has their own space. Amazing. Yeah, you're up like 10% in 2 weeks. Nice. Who's up 10%? Nice jams. What was the name of the festival? Lost Village. Yeah. And it literally is a lost village. Like there's just there's like secret little like tents that you can go into. Like you just have to go exploring. Some people were waiting out of a laundrette because they thought it was a secret event bit all weekend. This one here had a bouncy car. Look at this bouncy car. You just sit on the bouncy car. Sick. So yeah, that was my weekend. Oh shit, sorry. Yeah, let me put that back. It's -5. Sorry, I didn't have the minus on. I didn't make 10%. Wanna come down? Nah, I'm good, bro. I'm good. Feeling good. Not at all. But yeah, next year when I go, I'm gonna buy a massive tent. One of Caitlin's mates had a massive tent. I'm gonna like get the same one and like connect it, so it's gonna be like a little city. It's got like 12 different compartments in the tent. And the food there is good. I saw Creamfields. Creamfields looked like an absolute mud pit. Jesus Christ. The good thing about Lost Village was when it rained, because it did rain, it was really bad, but then they put down like these like wooden chips that gave you like loads of support again. It's class. So yeah. Yeah, I even looked at GJ actually, and it was it wasn't the easiest time, eh? It was not the easiest. Dennis is in the building.
Good morning.
Dennis, how you doing, brother?
Good. Are you?
I'm good, man. I'm good.
Yeah. Your weekend? How was your weekend?
Great. It was so fun.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nice.
Class.
And the weather was good.
Yeah, I mean it wasn't amazing, but actually, so I got there the first day, and within 3 hours I had a tan line and I was burnt. So, like, yeah, these skin tablets were no joke. So I was like, if this is gonna be sunny the whole time, I'm gonna be like a fucking burnt chip. So I was kind of like worried for that, but luckily it didn't actually. It wasn't really like really sunny after. It rained through the day on and off, but at night time it was fine. Like after like maybe 6 o'clock, didn't rain once, so it was great.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah.
So you had a nice time.
Yeah. It was class.
Good. Yes.
Yeah, it's class. With Wabba Max, why my favourite Brian not giving signals? Yeah, I've just been caught in too many break and retests that just haven't worked, unfortunately. But yeah, my trade yesterday was beautiful. Kind of sticking to my roots again, just bopping them off. Have you been, Dennis? Have you been trading?
No, not yet. No.
Holiday?
No, I had how do you call it? Grass pollen allergy.
Oh, is that why you were ill?
Yeah, I was and I'm still have lost. So.
Oh God.
No. Did some trading, but with crypto a little bit, but not with forex.
Yeah, it's fair.
My head was too foggy.
For sure.
Yeah. So.
I have that too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tom says we'll come back mid-September. We'll send some signals. Nice, brother. Ambrosia is killing me.
Yeah, me
Man,
too.
you guys are pussies, man. You're getting, you guys are getting done up by bloody flowers, bruh. Look at GJ. So GJ's coming up, which is good. And there is quite a lot of news today, isn't there? There's quite a lot. Yeah, I think NY is going to be quite hard. ADP, GDP. But the good thing actually, oh yeah, this is good though. This is good. The news is coming out all before 1:30, so it means after we can get some good trades. We can get some good trades. So yeah, I'm waiting for a back above like 185. I think we're gonna get a nice push back up. Moves quite quickly in this area, which will be nice. Kiko's been smashing it. Where the fuck's Kiko? He's been really doing some class trades. He took the W's. He smashed it. Really did good work. ComFX is vibing. Is he never at the beach? Is he never not at the beach? God dang. I got that feeling, so I know. Yeah, see if we've got any other videos. That's where the bouncy car was. The bouncy car was sick, man. So good. And yeah, this guy did it all on the keyboard. He was doing it as a remix. Everybody. Yeah, it was good, man. It was good. I like how GJ is moving for sells. Oh, Kiko's looking for sells and Mr. GJ. I don't know. I think we've retraced the whole, well, most of the news move. Looking at the daily, I mean, we're filling up that wick as well. Did you make eye-to-eye contact with girls? That was my girlfriend next to me. We're vibing. I didn't really lose much weight, I'm not gonna lie, man. The scran there was good. The scran there was impeccable, in fact. It was really good stuff. But yeah, if you're in the UK, I'd recommend that festival over the other ones, man. Even though I haven't been to the ones, I think there was just much more stuff to do than just watching an artist. Like, there was just so many different things. We went to yoga one day. You can do like this sound thing. You can book a hot tub. That's sick. But yeah, I remember I had a bit of data at one point and I was watching gold. I was like, because I knew Dom was in that cell for ages. Oh, I think he could be okay here. And it played out. Where was it? I think it might have been on Thursday. Yeah, this spike here. Saved by the bell. Nice. TradingView logged me out and still can't log in. What's the issue? Yeah. My issue is I can't scroll through charts. Like I'm pressing down here. I should be scrolling through, but it isn't working.
I have also problems with TradingView.
Yeah, watch this is also gone. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Something up with
I can't see my list.
Yeah, yeah. It's gone. It's gone.
So why?
I know it's a bit odd, eh?
Last week I had a problem. Something like glitch also in TradingView. I had all my candles had long wicks.
Oh.
You know what I mean? So if you have this picture, and they were all long wicks.
Oh, like massive wicks.
Yeah, like this. All. So it was really strange. to see.
Yeah. And Raja about to, yeah. Man, I came back. Raja is just absolutely balls deep with the market, and holy shit, every fucking post. Man, he's doing it, man. He's doing it.
Goldie.
Yeah, gold had a big push yesterday. That was a huge push. Man, shout out to people who took that W. We were watching it yesterday, and it was reasonable, right? Because we were still stepping up. Major support zone. You look on the 5 minute, I think it gave you it. Yeah, look at the 5. Okay, so if you look at the 5 here, you can see there's an order block right there, which is at the support. So you can maybe highlight this. Okay, then look at the 15. What were we doing as a whole? We were stepping up. We came to a major support level. Guess what we tapped? We tapped the order block. There's the W. So I think for me, the entry would have been maybe there. Stop loss either there or there. Shark Kiko took that, and other people. He's selling soft FOREX now. Yeah, man, he's making the streams, bruh. He's making the streams of income. He's just got to be careful he doesn't do it. Doesn't only do that, because people will get bored of just watching him do that. Yeah, he is. He's so good at that. He is still hilarious, like, isn't he? I fucking love Raja. He made my lectures so much more interesting. I'm just talking about random shit. I'm just gonna post this. We are live now on YouTube. Come and join the fun. Yeah, a couple of the watches. Yeah, man, it's a little bit slowy. So let me just go back. I want to see how the 4 hours were. So Thursday is there. Yes, the Thursday was hard. There was no real direction. The Friday one, if it made a top wick first, then rebroke the low. Fair enough. Volume, but it's still quite hard. No closure really anywhere. That was a nice low wick and a nice little flip to continue. Yeah, it wasn't the easiest. Max, did you notice Raja's yesterday trade? He had he was in a buy position with arrow on the bottom side of M25. What? Don't know what you mean. Send me a pic. It's holding 50% A. Yeah, you want to go tap back here? That'll be great for a retracement. Yeah. Yeah, back down there. This GJ's doing well, eh? And GJ. You see this 4 hours coming up. Obviously 185 big psychological there, so we've got to wait for it to maybe retrace, make some support, continue. Has Rick's been taking any trades in Asian recently? Has it being reasonable. Oh my god, has anyone been watching? I know this is nerdy, but I always talk about this. Has anyone been watching Ahsoka? The new Star Wars.
Nope.
Oh my god, it's good. It's finally good. It's finally like reasonable to watch and not like shit. It's because Dave Filoni's actually doing it. Yeah, man, it's actually good. It's the way it's filmed, it looks absolutely unreal, and yeah, it's much better. Much better than the shitty Mandalorian. I think the new episode. Tuesday night. Does that mean that the next one is on? Does it? Does it? Yeah, like it just looks a bit more Star Warsy. The way the action's filmed, the way it moves, it's kind of it just looks more. Let's take a look and see. Yes, the third one's up. Get in. I think Ahsoka looks so good in it as well. Sick. Yeah, it's good shit. Is that been the Tommy as we making the jokes in the chat, man? Brian and Pamela are on some fucking smoke in the chat. Holy Lord. Lord have mercy. Lordy McClordy. Gold thoughts? Gold's just ranging right now, obviously after such a big push in the news. We'll have to see if it wants to pop up, maybe retrace back down to support, and then maybe look for buys near 1934. And it's every day as well. You have no days off.
True.
Kiko!
Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, hola. Muy bien.
Muy bien,
Muy
hablas
bien, muy
español.
bien.
Oh, oh.
Jeez, he's got his setup going on. Jeez, mate, how you been trading, man? Are you gonna do some aloha and back a new holiday, man? That was a fire trade yesterday. You're ballsy enough to hold that boy. Did you hold a runner?
I held it to 1930.
What, the whole thing?
The runner, yeah.
Yeah, good lad.
Bro,
You do some great trades, eh?
look, but go on gold on the daily. I thought 1930 is good, man. Bro,
Yeah.
look, we were all doing 1937.
I know. No, Aloha held like to 1933, I think, didn't he? Yeah, nice, man.
Yeah, man.
That was good. And you were
But
just
that
and you were
fucking
just breaking
W
in with the
was-
news.
That W was insane. It
I
was
know. We're watching it in NY and we're like, it's just the fucking news.
Yeah, I was still sold on the buy. Because look at the daily, right? The
100%.
daily was, and I've seen this happen so often, and the push we got down was so it was just this. It wasn't even higher lows and higher highs. It was just
Yeah, it needed some sort of retracement anyway. Never, even if these buys didn't work out, you're gonna get a pullback at 2 o'clock anyway, weren't you? That's what Dom was looking for.
yeah, because we had like it was just straight down. Only the 5 minutes was doing little retracements. It wasn't even
Yeah.
the retracements were like fucking 5 pips.
And just to show you as well, it hit off that order block there in the 5 minute. If you look here, order block was there, exactly where you got in. So yeah, it was nice, man.
Bro, you got retest. You got everything.
And again, it was still on the trend. It was still, it was still holding, which was good. So, Max, what's your risk reward? Is 100 pip stop loss valid for 10 pip gain? What's your thoughts on this matter? Yeah,
No.
anything is good. Don't think too in depth about it. Okay, I think people get so worked up on it, but it's just like anything. I've explained it numerous times. Okay, it's just all down to how you want to trade it. It's exactly how you. It's exactly how you run a business, right? Some businesses sell very, very cheap products at a very small profit margin, but they sell fucking billions of them. Okay? Some businesses sell one item every year, which is handcrafted, a lot of effort in, and they sell it for a very, very big profit margin. They both make profits. Who gives a fuck? Just pick your lane and stay in it. There's no point in getting worked up about, oh, but that trader over there has a smaller RR, so therefore he is bad. And what? It's like Hyundai and it's like Toyota and Ferrari having an argument, going, well, no, we sell in Hyundai and Toyota, we sell loads of cars and we're much more profitable. Ferrari make 100, 200 grand on each car. Toyota have to sell fucking 70 cars to do that. So they both make profit. So again, it's just basic math. Please think more outside the box than that. Don't worry about it. Like it's just how it is. When people give stick about Don's stop loss, just look at his account every month. Is it going up? Yes. So who gives a fuck?
Yeah, tell him.
Tell him, boy.
I was actually waiting, but I didn't get a fucking notification that you were on Zoom. I've been here since fucking 7 o'clock. I've been like, bro, this guy's still in bed.
Oh shit! I started at 7.
I know, but I don't know why I didn't see it.
They give you a bing. So there we go, GJ just tapping the high of this resistance again. 185 is there, so, and we haven't had any retracements yet, so I wouldn't mind it to retrace a little bit. But again, we got a while.
I like the sales more, to be honest.
Where are you getting the sales from, Kiko? Explain them.
Okay, so if you look on the weekly. Okay, so we tapped those massive highs, right?
Yeah. No bottom.
We're kind of rejecting off. If you go back now on the daily, we got to move from the high. We broke below it. We're tapping that resistance again at this moment. The previous daily, if you go on the 4 hour now, you see how yesterday we moved up, but then we had a huge push down. That's telling me that we are more bearish than we are bullish at the moment.
Yeah, my only issue with that is the move down was caused by that news at 3.
No, it was before it.
It wasn't. Check. We started pumping 3.
Okay, go back to the 4.
Yeah, the news was at 4 for me.
Zoom out a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, it is the M retest, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a retest because. Wait. Where are you? It's holding this area. So it broke. Wait, where is my pencil? There's a new high.
Yeah.
This is low high. It broke the structure, yes.
Yeah.
But it found support here, and now it's making. You have your low. If you're high, you're high and low. But now you have to wait
to break
this
this.
candle to break this.
Or
yeah.
And if you don't break that high,
it could just
then you might continue down.
Yeah, maybe did, or we're going down.
Yeah, that makes more sense. And I actually like how, again, what we discussed before on the daily, it is just an M retest.
Yeah,
which is still holding. So I think it's maybe a little bit too cautious for the buys.
Okay, go back to the daily and zoom out a little bit. A little bit more. Yeah, because we're still and you scroll. Yes, stop. We're still in. We're still bullish because wait. There's your low. Yeah, there's your high. There's your higher low. Your high, low, high.
Yeah.
And now maybe it's gonna do this.
Yeah.
But you have to wait for confirmation here. But it's still going up. It's squeezing, yes, because if you put a line
Yeah, they're
from
getting
here-
smaller and smaller.
from here to here, and from here, see,
Yeah.
it's squeezing, but so it has to choose a side. And normally they say it's a rising wedge, and a rising wedge is a bearish pattern.
Yeah.
So normally when you have a rising wedge,
Oh.
the market is going down.
When it breaks the trend here.
Yes, when it breaks trend, yes, there, yeah.
Yeah. Good discussion, 100%. So again,
I
yeah.
actually don't.
Huh?
I don't understand I don't understand the fundamentals behind this pushing up.
Well, for me, what for me, all
Is
it's
this
doing
is
it's
English economy good at this moment?
I don't think it's good. I just think that Japan's worse.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but the reason why we were tracing from yesterday is just because of this news. It's just retracing the news. Again, it was news in the US. It gave it a big shock, but normally does retrace for GJ. But yeah, I think it's JPY, because if you look at EJ as well, yeah, EJ is very, very high as well. I think it's just JPY, because then if you look at like GBP/USD, we're not very high. Yeah, we're still pretty low. So yeah, I think it's just because the Japan is struggling.
How was your rave?
Amazing, bro. Amazing.
Did you did you come back?
Yeah, that's fine. That was great. I was ready in the morning. I had a shower every day with a bottle of water and just fucking wash my pits, brush my hair every day. You know, it was great.
Nice.
So good. Yeah,
Why didn't you send any videos in the chat?
I know,
Huh?
I will today.
Oh,
I've
fuck
got them all here. I've been showing them this morning, but man, it was so cool. So many different areas and shit. Like, look at this fireworks. That's a real person. That's an actual real person. Imagine that, like, oh, I'm just going to work today. Oh, what are you doing today? I'm just gonna get stuck to a moon.
That guy is high as fuck.
Mate, everyone was there. It was good vibes though, like it was really sick, yeah. I like the drum and bass. That was like the main stage, and then there was this is the tent. This is my disco tent that I fucking love.
Are you gonna go next year?
Yeah.
I'm coming with you.
Man. Your body do.
Dennis, let's go.
Yes, we go.
You keep you hide the stuff.
Yeah,
I'll-
in my bag somewhere.
There'll be a queue for you Netherlands boys. You'll be extra searched.
Bro,
Yeah.
how many do you need? 5 euros a pill.
I want to see the reaction to the 4 hour. Looking what? Yeah. I think for me, yeah, I think going through that, I think the buys are going to be maybe a little bit too risky. Yeah, I'd rather wait until we get maybe above.
I don't want to fucking go to work. Now that I have this setup here, I don't want to go there.
Do you have to go in every day? Can you not just do
No,
it at
I
home?
didn't go last 2 days. I was just at home. Our salary on gold?
You're already reacting to the 30-minute supply, but don't trust it that much. Want to see the 4 hour? Yeah. Yeah, the 4 hour will give you a bit more information. Wait upon yeah, man, Elohe yesterday was great job. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What do you think about the 1 hour gold celery? The 1 hour gold celery closure below 1936. Nah, I'm bullish on gold at the moment. I think I think we need to maybe retrace to again what Andrew is saying. There's a good order block there, and the 5 he made come back down to 1934. But overall, I'm still looking to look for buys. I think a bit easier. You know, daily's closed bullish, just making the lower wick. Should really go and fill to 1942 at least. So yeah. Max, what would you do differently if July, August is the same next year? I'd go on holiday.
Let's just
I'd fucking delete TradingView and I'd go on holiday for 2 months.
2 months. See ya. Bye bye.
Bye. 2 minutes, go to the toilet.
Yo.
I don't mind this hour salary, to be honest. It needs to close like this, though.
How's your new chair, Kiko?
Hey, 155 euros?
Yeah?
With shipping.
Oh, it's good. It's relaxing, is it? I've also...
I can pretty much sleep on it.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, I have the same. I can put it... Yeah, you can put it down and it's so relaxing. I have 2 pillows, one for my back and one for my neck.
Exactly, I have the same thing.
Yeah.
So from all the fucking pips I be eating. Whoa, get a bedroom. Niet zo openbaar, hè? Ze raken afgeleid.
Een beetje openbaar mag wel, hè? Een beetje openbaar mag wel.
Beetje. We wonen wel in Nederland, hè?
Ja.
Land van buiten.
Als je kijkt in de chat, dan... Brian en Pamela.
Ze gaan hard, hè?
Dat gaat echt niet normaal, joh.
Stel je voor zo'n vrouwtje ziet dat gewoon... Oh, dit loop je te doen de hele tijd, hè?
Ja.
Daarom trade je de hele dag.
Ja. Hij is getrouwd, of...
Ik weet niet. Ik ga hem vragen.
Ja, ga je het vragen. Dit is toch je oom?
Ja, het is mijn oom. Ik praat echt vaak met hem, man.
Ja? Maar hij heeft wel een vrouw?
Ja.
Ah.
Maar ja, wij noemen het hier in Amsterdam schaatsen.
Schaatsen, ja.
Sven Kramer.
Schaatsen. Brommes kieken. Ken je dat?
Kickstart. Contact eruit halen met de hamer.
Brommes kijken.
Technically need to form a res 2.
Who did you go with to the festival, Max?
Just one of Caitlin's, like all of Caitlin's friends. There's like I don't know, 15 of them.
Jesus, you were with the firing squad.
Yeah, bro.
What? Nothing for me?
It will be.
Okay. Next year.
Next year, bro.
I'll bring Dennis with me. We'll bring something.
I think it was like £250, maybe £300.
Oh.
Bro, that's like, what's that? Like 3 trades for me?
Exactly.
Probably like half a trade for you.
Yeah. Hello, Max. I think the next 1 hour kind of break and continue to sell. Sounds good. Sounds good. Max, are you still healing from Darwin Núñez's brace against Newcastle? Oh, don't even talk about that stupid match. What the fuck? Newcastle lost, and Liverpool were down 1 man, and we were up 1-0. And it's because of the subs, man. They took off the 2 best players. Why? Anthony Gordon needs to stick on that pitch the whole bloody time. He's the best player. He puts in so much effort. He's class. I've rated him since he's joined, man. He's class. Has everyone facing trading view issues? Yes. Oh yes. So coming towards it's London Open right now. Again, yeah. So hourly close, generally close above anything. We'll have to see how we deal with one.
There is absolutely nothing. I'm gonna go to work. I'll see you guys in a bit.
All good. See you in a bit, brother. Yeah, this weekly on GJ still.
See you, Hugo. Ciao.
Still no bottom wick on the weekly. I'm a Scouts Max, but all respect, Newcastle should have buried us. I know, but why didn't we? Like, it's just that's the difference between like a really like a top team and a like if City was there, you'd be buried like fucking 6-0. It's gotta be ruthless. You can't back off. Just. And also Trent getting a yellow card for throwing that ball away. That should have been a foul for Trent. He got fucking yeeted off the pitch. 30 likes, guys. Make sure to like the stream if you guys haven't already. Try and get to 100 likes. So yeah, really nothing yet. We're kind of just chilling about. Just GJ's still quite bullish here. It's still liking these buys, but we've kind of discussed how we don't really like these buys. Is it the weekly res? Is it the daily retest of the M? The 4 hours just retracing a little bit. So yeah, I don't think it's. If you actually look on the 30 as well, candle before the push is kind of an order block here as well. So I'd rather not. How are the spreads looking today on beautiful IC markets? Yeah, good. 1 pips, 1 pips. If you guys haven't joined IC markets, make sure you do so as well. Yeah. Also, if you guys, I just need to tell you guys something as well, just for people wanting to make an extra income. If you've got a lot of mates, or if you make Instagram, just get an affiliate code. Get an affiliate code on one of these brokers, because I tell you what, it helps out. Like, you know, it's just extra income for doing nothing. I'll just show you how compounded this is. So look at this. So this is my earnings. This not even this month, maybe 2.5 weeks. £409 just from commissions. So just from people who are on my broker. So that's a lot of money, you know, that's a good amount of money. So if you guys do want to do that, all you gotta do is send it to IC Markets, go onto their partners thing and make a link. Because I actually remember when I was learning to trade, I started that little affiliate thing, and man, that was paying for my uni, man. It was helping me out. So looking like GJ is breaking above the highs again, but as I say, I think there's a lot of resistance here I'm not going to play with. So I actually need to see, because we were down here, weren't we? Yeah, so we came down, we're looking for the sells here, the sells play out, and then we started to really just turn back above 1900. Yeah, big push. But yeah, if you guys have been struggling through the summer months, it's okay. So have I. Don't worry about that. Again, coming towards September is normally much better. Last year was much better. So as long as you manage risk in these ones, you're good to go. Good to do. Good to go. Yeah, let's see how Wixie's been doing. I always like checking up on Wix. If you guys haven't watched Wix yet, he does the Asian session. I don't think he probably would have got anything yesterday. Let's just see how he's doing. Yeah, 46 wins. He's still getting a lot of trades, which is good. Shout out Wix 9. What a G. What a G. Oh, what was the race highlights? I need to watch that actually. Lots of rejections on the daily. It's got to get much higher up, I think. Oh yeah, I think me and Kate were saying there's a new movie coming out, The Nun 2. Oh my god, yes. Yes.
I've had a series of dreams lately.
And what are they about?
About the return.
Oh my god.
Of who?
Valak.
I really like the Conjuring movies. I just think they're good. They're good fun. Oh my god! I just shot myself.
I think there's something here that's not meant to be.
It wants that power back.
This demon was once an angel, rejected by God.
Sophie, it's okay to be scared. I'm scared too.
Oh my god! I just love horror movies, man. It's so fun. August is always trash, yeah. 1943, yeah. I think if you get above 39, I think you could. Because above 1943, above 1939, all we have is some big pushes to 45. Even these massive ones. To be fair, I might have it a little bit higher up. Do this, yeah, and I'll be above 1940. You can see it a little bit easier there. Yeah, above support. Get past all that resistance, and now it's above that one. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, a little bit higher up. Oh yeah, there's some other movies. What? I swear there's I've heard there's a Lord of the Rings movie coming out, but I think it's 2024. That most anticipated Meg 2. Yeah, it wasn't the best movie, that was. Oh my god, look how many horror movies are coming out. Oh, is that in October? Yeah.
The Exorcist. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that one looks scary.
Yeah.
Oh, what the Marvels. Oh,
Again, yeah.
Oh, wow, I can't wait to not watch that piece of shit.
And the new of the Hunger Games is also nice.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah. Is it going to be the same thing again? It's like, how many times can you do it?
Yeah.
Oh, Napoleon, yes.
That's good. That's not that.
It's the actor.
Those
He's
those
always
movies are
really good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Phoenix always got really good movies. I think Joker 2's coming out next year as well. I think.
Aquaman, the newer. Yeah. The Lost Kingdom.
Some movies are nice, but I don't like horror. Get bad dreams. Not for me, the biggest pussy out there. Same, never watched a horror movie. What? I don't like. I feel people think like I just look at the whole screen the whole time. No, I'm like this in the cinema. I've got like I've got my hand across my whole face. I can only see like bits of it.
Yeah.
I've realized as well. There's one side of the screen has more jump scares than the other. I'm pretty sure the right hand side has more jump scares than the left. So I kind of like close my right eye and look from the whole left perspective. That's what I've kind of found anyway. Don't know why they do it like that, but it tends to be the right side has all the jump scares. Could be a little bit of an M forming here on GJ. Bye, have a great day. Love ya. Max, since you're into horror, have you come across a YouTube channel called That Chapter? It's decent. Ooh. Oh, is it like? Oh wow, this is like. Cause I watch this. All of these ones. These ones are mad. All interrogations. They're wicked. I think it looks very similar to that. I've literally watched every single one of these. Look, you can see they're all red at the bottom. I've literally watched every single one of these. Yeah, man. Me and my mate was saying, if you're ever like stressed about your own life, just watch one of these. These motherfuckers are going down forever. Makes you feel a bit better about your life. When you're ever feeling stressed, just put on an interrogation room of someone who's about to be found out that they've done something horrendous. It's like, oh my god, they are so fucked. It's a good feeling. Yeah, and there was one that I watched, which I don't know where it is, but it's one where the guy wasn't actually bad. As in, like, he didn't actually do anything, but the investigators thought he did. I'm trying to find it. He was basically shotgunned in the head, so he's obviously clearly very discombobulated. And yeah, he actually was telling the truth. And I was like, what? That was the biggest turn I've ever seen. Yeah, that's that dude who shot up a school or whatever and recorded all of it. That dude. And he tried to put the crazy card on, but they're showing how he's not crazy at all. Like they showed an example of where, like, yeah, like this dude. But they showed an example of where, like, an actual, like, look, this person's actually like crazy. And then showing like he was doing like weird shit.
The gunman dropped his rifle 7 minutes in.
Oh, yeah, that's bad. The revolver dude shot in the eye, yeah. Just got shot in the eye, and he's like, what the fuck is going on? Watch these series, very interesting, yeah. I would actually love to do that, you know. I think that's what I'd probably do if I didn't do a math thing, like criminal psychology, like, I think that'd be well cool. your body. Move your body. Move your body. Yeah, gold is just not one to move at the moment, eh?
Nope.
Not yet. Anyway.
I think he will, but
Yeah, a lot of news later on. I think it's going to be again a later trade, 2 o'clock, 2:30, 3 o'clock.
yeah, no, yeah. Yes. Hmm.
Yeah, exactly. And I love like the interrogators. Like, there's normally a good interrogator and then a bad one, and they kind of like, you know, they do them over there as well. Well, interesting. Yeah, there was one guy who just kept on doing the fraud, kept like burning down his house and stuff, and then like getting the insurance off it. But it got too sus. He did it too many times. It's like, bruh. Yeah, killed his son as well. I was like, what? That's when he got caught on. But yeah, I can't believe the summer's over, man. It went very, very quick. Very, very quickly. Is anyone looking at this M? Yeah, it's
3 o'clock.
rejecting 185.
4 o'clock.
Note and test is nearby, which is good. So I'll wait for that to close below. Yeah, when it gets down there, I think it'll be good. Right at this resistance. Retesting the M here as well. GG is dangerous. Yeah, look at that wick back up. Holy fuck. Yeah, I've seen it hasn't been moving the easiest through London, eh? How's the Premier League looking then? We're already starting to see where we're going. Yeah, Newcastle, fuck, we're 13th, but realistically we should have won that last game. We've had a hard start though, Liverpool and Man City. Got Brighton next, I think. Prediction for Brighton versus Newcastle. I think we should win. Haven't we already played them once? Oh no, we played Aston Villa. I know. Oh yeah, we beat them. It should be okay. Hurricane Adelia on the way to hit Florida. This August was unusual and bad weather all over the world. Ah. Manchester City winning. Come on, the Blues. Yeah. Mate, that Rodri goal was a rocket, my god. Just went for it. Here's your counter for your FBL. I sacked off FBL the first week because I forgot to submit it, so I missed out the first week, so I sacked it off. My team was very good as well. It was rather annoying. Yeah, I think it has been slow in recent times, London, hasn't it? I think it's been maybe a little bit slower than the others. There's a lot of news later on today, so it's kind of fair. Fair enough. Best you can do in London is wait for NY. Yeah. I think in recent times, eh? So we see Goldie coming back down to support 1934. There's a demand area there, so I'm looking at sales 185 area. Yeah. Still holding. Still holding the dress. Max, what do you think about GJ sell below 184.780? Yeah, I think below the support 800 would be fine. So then at least retest 700 at least. But yeah, I like how this is the weekly res right at. Yeah, 780. 790 below here would be good. Alright, I'm gonna get myself some agua. Agua, but yeah, I'm still kind of waiting for GJ to pick his direction here. Wait till I get my money right. It's so cold outside, man. Summer is not here. I don't think we have summer this year, innit? No heat. I'm out, stay safe and good luck for ADP, GDP growth. Thank you, Scarlett. See you later. Adios, amigos. And GJ's popping up. Hitting 185 right now. It's a patience game. Patience, patience, patience. Yesterday I waited. I literally drew this yesterday. I said I wanted this to make a high, this to make a support, and continue to the high. Waited all this time just to get that one trade. So you just gotta be patient with it. You just gotta be patient. London volume left the chat. Yeah, it has, hasn't it? Even the 8 o'clock wasn't that big, eh? It left the chat.
London has been shit, man, last 2 weeks.
Very slow, eh? Yeah. Yeah, just looking back at the days, you can see it hasn't been the easiest. No direction. Slow, 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 slow.
I was looking for these cells, but how it's moving, I don't think I want it to be in ending. 16 pip stop.
What's this for?
Gold.
I just think there's so much support on the left. Here and here. Can we get to 1934, but. You've seen all those people getting stuck at the airports as well. Oh god, pain in the ass.
Yeah, saw that, man.
Because then the air traffic control's just gone down, so they all do it manually. How's Harry Kane doing at Bayern? I need to see. He's only scored 3 goals. Yeah, it's just a shit league though. Such a boring league to watch. Nice to see you back, man. Thank you very much, Clee. Whoa. So yeah, it'd be nice to see how this 4-hour closes, coming up to this res. See if we get a closure above. In terms of the 4-hour later on. Again though, as I say, because the news is 1:30, you've got all that time after news. So I think between 1:30 and 3 o'clock, you're probably going to get something. But yeah, London is, yeah, I mean, GJ's, you know, it's travelled up, but again, it wasn't that daily level, sorry, weekly level. Still there. What?
I'm just watching these carnival things, bro.
Ah, from London.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's mad. It's fucking mad. People bring out.
I don't know what to. I don't know what to think of it, man. Even the party itself, I don't know what to think of it. Just a bunch of. I might go one day just for the lol, but it's. I feel like I need a gun, just in case.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. It doesn't look the.
Bro, I saw this video of this guy just holding this mad machete in front of him, trying to like slice him.
Yeah.
Bro, I will fucking smoke you, fam. Like, then 18 years in prison, bro. You're not gonna slice me, fam. Fuck.
How's the Saudi League doing right now? I want to see Saudi League. Who's winning? Table. El Ittihad. Oh my god. Where's El Ettifaq are there?
Oh my days. Bro, can you see this?
No. What is it?
Oh shit, my camera is now.
No.
I left my camera on, bro. It's just these people on the fence and just girls in front and then guys behind me. And they just holding onto the fence. And
The Saudi League trying to gain a spot for the UCL. How do they do that though? How do they show that they're better than some other things? I don't get it. Like, how do you prove that? Unless you play
you buy Ronaldo.
them.
You might break daily highs, then it spies all the way up. So if you're breaking daily highs, then you have like a daily salary.
Yeah. It's good to 185, 500 maybe. GJ
Pretty
missed,
far,
bro.
we're gonna
Very
start
good
rejecting.
buy. Yeah, I wanted the buys above, but then we discussed it a bit more, and there's a lot of res there. I'm happy with missing it.
It is overextended now, right? So could get a rejection from this level.
Yeah.
Back down to maybe Asian lows, Asian highs. I mean. This fucking 4 is huge. What the fuck?
Isn't it? Would you look for buys?
Yeah, but I think
some retracement first.
No, I think yeah.
Yeah, and this 4 hour has got to go strong enough anyway. But yeah, it's too overextended for me. Look how much it's been pushing. Gonna get the last high of it. I wanted to take a buy, it would be there, so I want to wait much longer. See how we deal with it.
Mm-hmm.
CNY, Andrea, yeah, CNY, yeah, golden, nothing. But GJ had a nice push. Again, it's just, it depends on your bias, depends on where you wanted them. I think for me, maybe there, but there's an IC here as well, which kind of scares me. Sorry, I know what to block. And again, it's just at that weekly resistance. I'd rather have got in a bit earlier. Is there any areas you could have got in a bit earlier? I mean, we rejected the 50% close bullish above, maybe there at 7 o'clock, but I'm gonna bias is a little bit off. Hard to kid in. So yeah, I think probably now is the best thing to wait until NY. I think. If you got into GJ, well done. I'd be securing some here if you guys haven't already at the 4-hour res, the weekly res. But yeah, I think it's best to wait until later on, guys. So we'll see you guys, people in the mentorship. We'll see you guys at 12 o'clock. Should we do 12 o'clock? Actually, no, there's a lot of news. Yeah, we'll get on. Should say 1:15. 1:15. Get rid of all the news, and then we can have some good times trading later on. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. Peace out. Have a great rest of your day. See you guys later on.
See ya.
Peace out.
Ciao,
See you later.
ciao.
Ciao, 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 ciao.
Ciao.
See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.